Today we are gonna fix Discord not showing channels problem. Before moving on to the video, don't forget to leave a like. The first solution is to log out of your account and log back in. To do this, we open Discord and click on the profile icon. We scroll down and click on logout, and then click on logout again to confirm. We have logged out of our account. Now we will click on login to log back in. We enter our login information and click on login. We have logged back into your account. If this solution does not work, we will move on to the second solution. The second solution is to complete the uninstall and reinstall Discord. To do this, we open settings. Then we click on apps and then manage apps. We search for Discord in the search bar. Then we click on storage. We click on clear data and then click clear cache. We press OK to continue. We have cleared Discord's cache files. Now we will uninstall Discord. Before we reinstall Discord, we need to restart our device. After that, we open the Play Store and search for Discord in the search bar, and then click on install. Discord's installation process is complete. Now, you can check if the problem is solved or not. If the problem still persists, we will move on to the third solution. The third solution is to download an older version of Discord. We do this because the problem may be caused by the latest update to Discord. If this is the case, downloading an older version of Discord may solve the problem. Before downloading an older version, we need to uninstall the current version of Discord from our device. Once we have done that, we open our browser and navigate to the download page. I will put the link in the description section. From there, you can open the download page. After opening the site, we click on download. If you have not downloaded an APK file before, you may encounter some problems here. I will put the solution in the card section. We have downloaded our file. Now we will install Discord. We have installed Discord. Now you can check whether the problem is solved or not. If downloading an older version did not solve the problem, then it means the problem is not caused by the latest Discord update. In this case, the only thing we can do is to wait for the Discord developers to fix the problem. We have come to the end of the video. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care and see you in the next video.